Hello everyone, Parker here with A+ Garage Doors. Today we're going to talk about how to program a remote and keypad with the new Security 2.0 LiftMaster openers. So the first thing we're going to do is talk about how to program your keypad. On this opener we have a yellow learn button here, so we're going to hit this yellow learn button, the light turns on. We have 30 seconds to enter our 4-digit code, and I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you hold down enter, you can see the light clicks, it turns off and then back on, and that's how you don't receive the signal, and it's as simple as that to get it programmed. Alright, so we're going to talk about programming this remote. It's the exact same process as the keypad. You just hit the yellow learn button, hold down whatever button you want on the remote, you'll hear the opener click, and it's programmed. Once you hit the learn button on the opener, it stays into the learn mode for 30 seconds. If you wait longer than that, then what you have to do is cycle through the learn button 4 times and get it back to where the light is off. And then once you hit it again, then it puts it back into learn mode. Alright, so some of the things that we can go over with troubleshooting this LiftMaster keypad is, one thing, if you open up the cover, if it's not lighting up, then that means that you might not have any power. So there's a simple solution, is you can pop this off and you have a 9-volt battery. That's something that we'd recommend to replace your battery before calling someone out to see if you need a new keypad. Also, if you have different models of openers, there is instructions here on the back of the keypad that walk you through every single step. The Security 2.0 yellow learn button is the one that we talked about. Some openers can program to the older openers going all the way back to 1993. Alright, so some of the things that we can do with your LiftMaster remote if it's not working, if you hit this button and the light doesn't light up, then you can pop off this cover here and you can actually replace the battery. It's a CR2032, very simple to replace. You can replace that battery and then throw the cover back on there and make sure that you have lights and everything's operating, and then go through that programming process and it should work for you. We hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you're welcome. If not, give us a call and we can get you helped out.